Good morning. Today's grammar lesson is more of a continuation of the last grammar lesson we had. You can also see it like a second part. The last lesson was on direct speech, which is when you're saying what someone said exactly the way they said it. You introduce the speaker, or you could put introduce with the speaker, or you could put the speaker at the end. But then you also put what the speaker said, the speaker's exact words, in quotation marks. For today's lesson, you want to say what the speaker said, but you're not going to say it exactly that way. Think of it as putting what someone said in your own words. You're reporting what someone said. And in this kind of situation, a few things are changed up. Remember, you're putting in your own words. You're no longer saying it exactly that way. What are these things that change? The verb, okay? The pronoun, demonstrative adjectives, or even time expressions. These are the things we change up. Now, the rules for today's lesson are going to be telling us exactly how these things are changed. Let's go. Rule 1 says, we may state what someone has said by using indirect speech. I already said that, okay? When we change from direct to indirect speech, we keep the reporting verb said. A reporting verb is also the same as dialogue word. I kept repeating this in the last lesson, okay? So when we change from direct to indirect speech, we keep the reporting verb said, but we usually change the tense of the other verbs. Now let's see an example of what they're saying. Direct speech. Rita said, this is the reporting verb, comma, quotation open. I attend dance classes on Fridays. Full stop, quotation close. This is the first verb, right? Which is the reporting verb. Now, this is the second verb, which is the main verb in what the person actually said. Now let's see. The rule says this reporting verb stays the same, but this one changes. It usually takes a step backward. For example, if it's present, if it's simple present, it changes to simple past in the indirect. Now let's see. Rita said that she attended dance classes on Fridays. See? So said remained the same. We introduced that. Remember this, very important. So Rita said that she attended dance classes on Fridays. The reporting verb, speech verb, stays the same, whereas the other verb, the main verb in what Rita actually said, changes from simple present to simple past. Attend, attended. Okay? Now this is on how the verbs change.